From a Distance, a photo essay by Mary Chiarella. Morning comes before I open my eyes. A tangle of bird songs call to me from beyond my window and way up through the trees. Wake up, Mare, they call. I don't argue. From a distance I watch as two mourning doves race back and forth from their nest on the windowsill to the bare branch that sways up and down from the fluttering of their wings. They look at each other, beak to beak. I imagine what they say. The glass of the window is cool under my fingertips. The sky is heavy with gray. I can see, only from a distance, the promise of rain that fills the air. Take an umbrella, I whisper to myself. But today I won't need one. It's Monday morning and it's time for school, but my backpack and books and travel coffee mug will stay put on the bench by the door. Today, like all the days these days, I will teach from a tucked-away space. I will wear my polka-dot pajamas and fuzzy socks, and I will cozy up under a quilt all morning long. I will connect to the world beyond these walls put up all around me. No longer remote, your faces will fill my screen, and your voices will fill the air. They're here, I will say to myself, honored that they remembered. Tomorrow the birds will wake me up with their songs, and I will watch the game of tag played by mourning doves. My PJs and fuzzy socks will comfort me under my quilt. Your faces will appear one by one, distantly, on my screen, so that I won't forget what you look like and the sound of your voices. I will stay put behind my closed door. And the trees through my window will continue to grow blossoms that will get fatter by the day, reminding me of the changes I know will come.